So my name is Andy Horwitz. I'm a law professor at Roger Williams University School of Law, and I've been a practicing criminal defense attorney for just about 30 years. I'm very proud to be part of the Homeless Bill of Rights Defense Committee. I'm very proud to be standing here presenting this report, which proposes an alternative vision of how to use and how to think about our downtown space. And most importantly, from my perspective, as a lawyer and as someone who believes in and fights for the Constitution every day, I think one of the most important things we need to pay attention to is the fact that we have a beautiful Constitution that protects people's rights. And it protects the rights of everybody. It protects the rights of the poor, the homeless, the drug addicted. Public spaces are public spaces. They're here to be used as public spaces. The mayor's office is to be commended for recognizing that the panhandling ordinance that the city council adopted a number of years ago is unconstitutional. Panhandling is a protected First Amendment right. And it's protected. We've recognized for a long time it's protected for the firefighters who want to hold boots out. We've recognized for a long time that it's protected for a variety of other folks that don't fall into that category that some might say are less desirable. But the Constitution thankfully protects all of us. It protects our right to be in public spaces. It protects our right to congregate in public spaces. The space that we're on now is a sidewalk. A sidewalk is a public place. The city is likewise to be commended for recognizing that the other ordinance that it will not enforce, which is an ordinance that alleges that you can prohibit somebody from trespassing at a bus stop, cannot be enforced constitutionally. What is a bus stop for? A bus stop is designed for people to sit and to wait. Right? That cannot be prohibited activity. The plan that Mr. Paolino intends to introduce later today, based on what we know about it in advance, seems to have an agenda that involves taking poor, homeless people out of vision and out of sight in Kennedy Plaza. That is not a solution to the problem. The solutions to the problem obviously lie in expanded social services, the opposite of what our state legislature has been doing, which is cutting social services. Expanding social services, providing much better access to affordable housing, right? The agenda of removing poverty from our daily vision is a terrible agenda. It's cruel, it's inhumane, and it's just terrible public policy. We live in a society with enormous disparity in economic income, and we need to see that on a daily basis so that we can decide whether we care enough as a society to do something about it. My hope very much is that we will. So thank you all very much for coming this morning.